Hi everyone. In this video, we'll discuss about that how we can create a dimension or measure something in 3D view of Revit. So let's see. So I'll go in 3D view first of all. Right now, suppose I wanted to measure the distance of the top view and the bottom side of this particular element or mechanical equipment. Okay, so how I can do that thing? Firstly, we'll try to create some dimension and lines if we can draw in this 3D view. So right now I'll place DI command for dimension, but it's not working. I'll try to press DL command for detail line, but it's again not working. I'll try to create a model line. It is also not working. So how we can do the measurement and the situation like the top view to bottom view, how we can do that thing? So for that one, what we need to do is we do not need to lock the view. What we simply do is that we need to set a plane for that one. So I'll go in architectural tab right here. I'll go on set plane, and in this plane I want to create the dimension. So I'll pick a plane. Okay, and I'll go right there and I'll pick this particular plane. Okay, now I'll create a model line from this point to the other point till where I wanted to measure the distance. I can tab or something like that and click right there. Now my line is created, and if I'll click on that one, the dimension is right there. It's in points, so if I'll go with the round figure, it should be 4152. Okay, but suppose I wanted to make a dimension in that way, so how I can do that thing? We can simply click DI now because we already set a plane. Now you can see it is in dimension command. I'll pick the first line, pick the second line. You can see it's the same one. If I'll go in UN command and I'll go for one decimal thing, it will be like that way. Let's see in length. If I click right there, go till one decimal, it will be 4151.6. Let's see. Yeah, this is the same. So that's how we can measure the dimension and measure the create a line in 3D view as well. And also we can place any element like that way. Like suppose I want to move any element from this top point to this point, I do not need to redo all those kind of things manually. I'll just go with the dimension and I'll directly move that particular element by this dimension. So that is how we can measure the distance in 3D view. So that's all about this video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching this one. Let's meet in my next video.